Welcome to the show, Salman.
Thank you.
Ready for action?
Let's go.
Okay, we're going to start by showing you some lovely reactions of some of your fans. Check them out.
झकास, great, amazing, dashing.
I like his hair.
स्टाइल और डांस मस्त होता है।
वो अच्छा लगता है, दिखने में बॉडी भी अच्छी है उसकी।
And he's very stylish also.
हाँ, सलमान खान जैसी बॉडी बनाना चाहता हूँ।
I love him. From my 5th standard, I celebrate his birthday on 27 December.
एक बार भी बाइक लेके आया था उधर से बैन स्टैंड पे, तभी कॉलेज के लड़की लोग भागे उसके बॉयफ्रेंड को छोड़ के उसके पास।
He's just the best. वो एकदम अच्छा है। सलमान is the best in everything. He is the best.
This guy knows his kids, Zishan.
And yet you are called Salman Controversial Khan. Is that an apt middle name?
Guess for the press.
What have you done to deserve this?
You know, truly, honestly, nothing. Nothing at all. I don't like speaking about myself, my life, the people who are in my life. And people who do not get any answers from me, they think I'm being rude or disrespectful towards them. So that's where they start not liking me that much.
आपने एक बार कहा है कि my troubles are as temporary as my stardom. But it seems that neither is your stardom temporary, nor are your troubles.
I think everything, there's an expiry date on everything.
You think?
Yeah, yeah. People die.
Oh, you think this is going to go on to the day you die?
Yeah, no, even after, for some time.
Are you going to be notorious even after you die?
You know, the thing is कि ऐसा क्या कर लिया है किसी इंसान ने कि 4-5 हिट पिक्चर दी, किसी को रुलाया, किसी को हंसाया है. ऐसा थोड़ी कि कोई मून पे जाके आ गया आदमी. It's just a guy who was born in a family who didn't know anything else to do, became an actor, that too not that good. So it's just my destiny, my luck has put me here.
You don't think you're a good actor?
No.
All those vox pops out there, all the people saying you're the best, you just constantly need affirmation. Is that it?
No, not true. It's I don't take my success really seriously. Till the time it's there, it's there. Because I've seen a lot of the yesteryear stars who go through a lot of stuff because they took it, you know, to their head. And today now they're destroyed.
I think that as of right now, people look at you and they see this very controversial figure and they think Salman is always in the eye of a storm. Do you think it's actually the deeds you do, or do you think it's a misrepresentation of your acts?
I can't answer this question. I get into situations, from those situations I come out as well. I think ऊपर वाला सर देख के सरदारी देता है. तो अभी तक कुछ ज़्यादा ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं है. देखो अभी आगे लाइफ में क्या है.
Do you actually even give a damn about anything that's written about you?
See, me personally, I don't. You can write anything, whatever you want, you can write about me. But sometimes I do.
And the only times,
the only times that I do when it comes to my loved ones, my family, that's when I.
And what do you do about it when you do give a damn?
First, I used to do a lot about that. Now, I just let it go. I said, वो उसी newspaper में भेलपुरी खा लेंगे बाद में.
Well, Salman, some people look at you as the spoilt brat, and some people see you as this chilled out dude. Let's check out some opinions.
Hi, Bhaijan. You're looking cool.
Salman's basically a fun-loving guy. You know, it's like there's never a dull moment with him around.
You show me one hero all over the world who lives the kind of life he lives. He's a genuine guy. I don't think so he's got a high of being a hero or something.
I've always known that Salman is a friend's friend.
As a personality, extremely controversial. People love talking about him. People love to hate him. People love to love him.
I admire him for a lot of his qualities. For starters, for his power of resilience, the ability to bounce back when he's reached his lowest ebb.
People find it hard to believe when I say that Salman is the most sensible. उसको उसकी जो philosophies of life है बहुत अजीब है लेकिन बहुत खूबसूरत है. He's like for me like Gurdjieff would be or Krishnamurti would be, or he's like a saint in a lot of ways. But this side लोगों ने शायद देखी नहीं है उसकी because he's always covered it with fooling around with people, laughing, making fun, and being a brat and being temperamental, but he's an absolutely great guy.
I'm still your fan, bhai, and I will die as your fan.
Bhai is such a formidable word. Bhai is normally associated with people that are scary, Salman. What's so scary about you?
There's nothing scary about me. You know that now you're getting old, so That
You really
respect-
think you're getting old?
Yeah, that respect suddenly is coming.
Older and wiser?
Kids have started calling me uncle. I said, uncle? Ye kya hai?
Salman, we're going to take a short break. यहाँ पर हम लेंगे एक छोटा सा break, and when we come back, we're going to try and unfold some myths about Salman if we can. Welcome back. हमारे साथ बैठे हैं Salman Khan. Salman, in Steel Magnolias, Shirley MacLaine said, "I'm not crazy. I've just been in a really bad mood for the last 40 years." Do you feel that way?
No.
But according to the press, you seem to act it.
No, they have their own opinions. They're entitled to their own opinion.
Well, the fact is, when you get information, when you're a star, if you can't take the heat, stay out of the kitchen, you're bound to be written about. People idolize you, they look up to you, they want to know.
See, the thing is that my bedroom is my bedroom. My living room, my hall is the whole Hindustan. And that's the way I think it should be for everybody. And I don't think that you would want to share your own personal experiences, or you talk about the people who you love, you know, they just want gossip. I can't give them that. I'm sorry. Forgive me.
But Salman,
I can't talk about my girlfriend. I can't talk about my family.
Salman, I've known you since before you got into films.
Ji.
You're this lovable person. I know that we've had, so many moments, as friends. We've all
Ji.
sat down and chatted. You're this lovely guy. And initially, you never had this love-hate relationship with the press. It was a very lovely, amicable relationship with them. How did all that really turn so much?
See, I remember there was this one interview I gave. I think it was for some magazine, the Movie or Stardust or something. And in that, I said whatever I had to say. I spoke about Mom, I spoke about Dad, I spoke about Helanti, about Arbaz. This is just after Maine Pyar Kiya. And then came another interview, and then I said that, and I felt that, now same things I've said here, same things I've said there, there's nothing that has changed in my life. So I stopped giving interviews because I was getting, I'm not going to, it was like I'm talking for my own audio pleasure, and my voice was irritating me at that point in time. So I stopped talking. And then once I stopped talking, they thought that, he's made it, now he's arrogant, pull him down. They could not pull me down. And when I go down, I want to see if they can pull me back up. If God wants me to stay down, I don't think that even the whole press, the whole wide world could get me back there. And if they can do it, nothing like it. Then I will actually start believing them.
आपने एक बार कहा है, I trust. Each time I'm betrayed, I rise above deceit. आपका मतलब क्या था?
ये तो मैंने कभी कहा ही नहीं.
आपने कहा है, आपका एक quote है. What do you mean? That's a very profound statement. I
अरे मैं ऐसी
trust.
profound बातें करता ही नहीं हूँ. नहीं, मैंने ये कहा था कि अगर आप मुझे पानी में धक्का मारेंगे, तो मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा कि बचाओ बचाओ बचाओ. I know how to swim. I know my stuff. I'll come out, stand up, ऐसे धक्का किसने मारा?
आप ताल्लुक रखते हैं फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के साथ. Your father is a very renowned script writer. आपके भाई अरबाज जो हैं, he's an actor.
जी.
Yet none of them seem to have the kind of controversial life that you have. Do you think that they're just not controversial people? Do you think they're just press friendly? Or do you think it's because the bigger a star you are, the better a target you are for people to sort of peg controversies onto you?
See, I don't think any of this is true. I think somewhere it could be my fault. That when people used to come to me to clarify things, which the family knew, my friends knew, I didn't think it was important at that point in time to clarify anything. It was like, I don't owe anybody an explanation. Because they'd already written that stuff about me. अब उन्होंने लिख दिया, फिर मैंने clarify किया, तो फिर वो अपना perspective देंगे, फिर ये चलता रहेगा ये. I just wanted to stop it right there. कि एक बार लिखा है, दो बार लिखा है, तीन बार लिखा है, चार बार लिखा है, उसके बाद भूल जाएंगे. People also get fed up of that. If I'm going to clarify something about myself, the kind of stuff they've been writing, I will be obviously putting somebody else down, which is not okay with me.
Salman, I've known you since before you started films, okay?
Exactly.
And a part of you has changed. कहा जाता है कि success is like underwear. You should have it without flaunting it, okay? लेकिन आप बहुत flaunt करते हैं या तो अपना style या एक certain अंदाज जो है आपका.
If I walk in a particular manner, I walk in that manner. I'm not flaunting myself. if I
Well,
have
taking
this,
off your
if-
shirt, on stage and, and doing it repeatedly. You've done it in movies, you've done it on stage, you do it at parties sometimes. I mean, what's that about?
That is, it's very simple. This is a visual medium. You have your fans, you have kids. Now you see every kid now takes off his shirt and dances. This is what the parents tell me, right?
Because Salman
Now-
does it.
Yeah, and now since it's a visual medium, you have to look good. If you cannot see yourself in the mirror, I don't see why the rest of our population, your fans, would want to see you. And look at the positive side of this. Look at all the children go to gyms. They're staying off drugs, they're staying off smoking, of drinking. And if they do that, they still go to a gym.
You had one earring before, didn't you?
Yeah, this one is slightly, it's a heavy earring, so my head used to tilt onto one side, so that's why I had to balance it.
So, so what you're saying is now you're
now-
level-headed.
Yes.
Salman, stars lead such a glamorous life, it's such an exciting life, and yet at the same time it comes with so many benefits and so many privileges. क्या आपको लगता है कि sometimes you're just above the law?
नहीं, मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि मैं तो लॉ के बहुत अंडर हूँ. अबव तो हो ही नहीं सकता मैं. Because a normal thing that कोई भी चीज़ करके छूट जाता है, बड़े से बड़े चीज़ करके छूट जाते हैं, लेकिन small things in our lives cost us a lot.
Like what?
Like, for example, okay, the accident case, for example, or my personal life, for example, or
But Salman, the accident case,
the Black
it could have
Buck case,
happened to
for
anybody.
example.
And
Exactly.
Yes, it gets blown out of proportion because you're Salman.
That's exactly why. It's a 900 rupee bail.
But Salman, you didn't pay 900 rupees. You paid much more than that. And the 21 lakhs that you've been fined, I think it's more a price for superstardom.
Well, if the money goes to them, it's all right. But
What do you
if
mean
it
if the
doesn't,
money goes to them? You gave the money.
yeah, I gave the money. I think it's still in court right now. I don't think they've given it. But then, see, the thing is, what is upsetting is that the whole intention. I mean, this is the law. But for me, it was that the person who died, there was the mother, and I would have loved to meet the mother and apologize, but I can't do that because if I think that I might, because who I am, influence her judgment against me. That 21 lakhs doesn't matter to me. I would have done a lot more for that lady and for the children and for whoever was involved there. But I can't do it till the time this whole case is over. Now, with the case, if they should go ahead and take the decision as soon as possible. First, now I think they've got that charge off. I think it's 304A or B, something like that. I mean, whereas culpable homicide, I think it's out. But it should, whatever the verdict is, it should come out soon. Okay, has to go to jail or is set free. Then it is my thing as to how I take care of that family. And I'm sure it's going to be a lot more than that 21 lakhs.
On that note, we're going to take a break.
Okay.
We have a long trek ahead with a man who's had a whole range of experiences. हमारे साथ रहिए. We're going to be back after a short break. Welcome back. हमारे साथ है the extremely dashing Salman Khan. Salman, आपको 7th sexiest man vote किया गया था. In what way do you think you have been inspirational, apart from being inspirational about working out?
पता नहीं, मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आता कि कौन मुझे ऐसा वोट कर सकता है. I think it was the Asian fans who had voted me this, and I didn't take that seriously at all. यहाँ से एक reflector आया, यहाँ से एक light आई है, it's all lit up very well, makeup, hair, clothes, so all these things enhance your personality by about, say, 150%. Now, if you see me on the street somewhere, and if I was not an actor, you wouldn't even give me a second look.
You really think that?
Yeah.
You suffer from low self-esteem and lack of confidence?
No,
You, Salman?
No, that is my confidence. The fact that I know what I am is my confidence.
All right, but having said that, you've also got to give yourself credit because you have worked out, say, the way you have, to look the way you have.
And Mr. Maharashtra works hard, Mr. Bombay works hard, Mr. Universe works hard.
But
So-
Salman, you have a complete package, so give yourself credit for
Yes,
that, don't
no,
you
the
think?
credit goes to all those people who work with me. My credit could be only one thing is that I choose the best to work with me, that's it.
Okay, so as you said earlier कि आपने बहुत सारे नौजवान को inspire किया है to work out, to be fit. In what other way do you think you have been inspirational?
The kind of movies I do are very, like very Hindustani, like very, it's all about culture, it's all about good, bad. उसमें कोई एक गलत बात नहीं होगी और ना ही preach करता हूँ.
So how do you think it's inspirational?
It's, see, when you come out of a film, you know, you want to be that character. And the characters that I've played are only good characters. So every boyfriend would want to...
You think all the characters are good, even in Tere Naam, when you play that role of that really, mean lover, that extra passionate, violent lover.
Got me on that one. But the thing is, when I started the publicity of that film, I told all my fans, go and watch that movie, but do not follow that character.
All right, in what way do you hope to be inspiring?
Just that after I'm gone, just that one person says that, you know, this man made a difference to my life.
Salman, I think that a lot more than one person is going to say that about you.
Just one person.
But one person, Hrithik, at one point has said, Salman is on the rocks. What did he mean by that?
Salman is on the rocks?
Yeah, Salman is on the, I can understand Salman is rocking, but what did he mean by Salman is on the rocks?
He must have meant Salman is... I live at Bandstand, so he must have spoken to me earlier and I must have been on the rocks there. Or he must have meant that Salman Khan is down and out, or Salman Khan is rocking, or Salman Khan is having...
water on the rocks.
Water on the rocks.
Salman, as I said earlier, I've known you since before your Maine Pyar Kiya days. Recently, people have said, where is that fun-loving Salman gone? कहते हैं कि उम्र के साथ आप बहुत ही serious हो गए हैं.
Responsibilities are getting age ke saath, you know, you grow up and you're not a child anymore.
Well, here are some opinions on it.
आई थिंक चेंजेस और डिफरेंस जो भी इंसान की लाइफ में आते हैं मेरे ख्याल से एज के साथ तो आते ही हैं.
I think he's matured a lot. I think he's a much better looking guy.
His first movie was such a big hit. I mean, he became an icon, right with his first movie. So I don't think any further success has changed him.
He's still that same Bandra boy. I still hear stories from people, his closer friends.
Still meets people with the same warmth. He still has his old friends. He still is comfortable doing the things that he did when he was not a star.
I've known him for so long. There's nothing that has changed about him, which is a great thing, which has to go in his favor, you know, which I mean as a compliment. It's very difficult to have your head on your shoulders after attaining so much success. He's seen it all.
Salman, I hope never changes. Salman, I hope remains what he is. He's the most generous human being I've ever met. वो बहुत ही दिलदार आदमी है, वो बहुत ही spontaneous है, जो दिल में आता है वो सच बोलता है वो. उसकी एक अपनी जो है वो Salman should not change. I have not seen him change. People say he is mellowed down, but I have just met him and I don't think he is mellowed down. I don't think Salman will ever mellow down. Salman will be what he is. Obviously physical changes या थोड़ा सा आदमी ठहराव आता है, but Salman I hope would never change.
Well, it seems like you've changed for the better.
But from what they're saying, that I haven't changed at all.
Well, some are saying that, you know, he looks better. What do you feel, Salman? Do you feel that all these series of unfortunate incidents that have happened in your life, do you think it shaped you in some manner?
See, nothing. There's nothing unfortunate. I mean, I've been hearing this a lot of late that, you know, poor guy, look at the stuff that he's gone through. What?
If you think about it, you've gone from a Maine Pyar Kiya to a Maine Pyar Kyun Kiya film.
Oh my God.
Has that been the story of your love life?
Nice pictures, Pooja.
Oh, never mind. That's his way of avoiding a question. Given the fact that you've had a lot of problems, so to speak, with your love life.
I've never had a problem.
You'll just sit and lie to me like that.
I've never had a problem.
The press seems to believe that you have had many such problems.
I don't think why they should think that way. Some things work out, some things don't work out.
Well, it's not a crime, is it, to actually go out there and, you know, bang on doors and say, you know, I love you, wake up neighbors in the middle of the night. It's not technically a really bad thing. Think about it. It's not
Now,
a really bad thing.
have you seen that? Has anybody seen that?
No, but even if you were to, let me be the devil's advocate here. Even if you were to, bang on somebody's door and, sort of say, wake up or open the door or whatever, it's not something that even other people wouldn't do. It's something very normal,
Everybody
don't you
does that.
think?
Everybody does
And the
that.
fact that it gets magnified and blown out of proportion is probably because you're Salman Khan.
Yes, it's all true, but then the fact is that you should actually know the honest truth, whether this guy was banging on the door or not.
All right.
That is the first thing, no?
Well, I hope that a lot of people who are watching this interview learn a lot from this, Salman, because there's so much that you've said that's very interesting, it's very honest, it's very open, and to a certain level you're almost telling the press and me to a certain extent, back off, this is my personal life and I choose to keep my personal life behind closed doors, and I think somewhere people should respect that. अच्छों को बुरा साबित करना दुनिया की पुरानी आदत है. Does this philosophy hold true for Salman Khan? Well, we're going to find out after this break. Welcome back to what is turning into an extremely candid, honest and interesting interview with Salman Khan. Which film that you've done do you feel is a reflection of your life? Is there any such film?
Like every person has like 1 to many billion shades to themselves. Like the way I'm with you, I will not be with him or my mother or my father or, whoever there's like all these people who are talking right now. So it's, you're different with everybody.
How
so
about a storyline?
Just a little bit. See, because I don't act. Whatever I do from the bottom of my heart. If in a take, for example, if there's an emotional scene, I cry the way I cry. I get angry the way I get angry. I sit the way I sit. So as far as when you talk about actors, like I haven't played like a 60-year-old man, or I haven't played a different character apart from myself. So there's a lot of me in my movies.
What about a storyline, for example? Is there any storyline that represents your life from beginning to end? Have you ever felt that, God, this movie is the story of my life?
No.
Well, don't you think there should be one, given the fact that you have all the right ingredients? There's romance, there's drama, there's action, there's law, there's, protagonists, antagonists, and all of that.
I think it would be the biggest disaster.
Why do you think that?
Just
you don't think your life is interesting?
You think my life is interesting. I think
Example.
my life is my life.
Well, Salman, lots of people who have known you very, very well, that swear by you. In your home, for example, your staff that are with you, they've lasted for, since you've been 7 years old?
तो कहते हैं ना कि एक अच्छे आदमी की क्या पहचान होती है? ये पहचान होती है कि उसके दोस्त पुराने होने चाहिए और उसका नौकर पुराना होना चाहिए. That's why, because the more time that you spend with a particular person is your asliyat comes out.
लेकिन बहुत सारे लोग हैं that love to love you. Check this out.
I think Salman Khan is one of the finest guys. I have never found so much love from any other human being that I have found from Salman. He's a brother to me, he's a friend to me, he's a philosopher to me, he's a guide to me. He's always cared about me. I have never seen the evil side or the temperamental side or the mean side of what the media talks about. It's a complete illusion they've created. It's rubbish.
Here's a letter from Suraj Barjatia for Salman. Salman bhai, I have been asked to speak about you. From where do I start? I remember you sitting at the reception of the office when you came to hear the script of Maine Pyar Kiya, your first screen test, where you lip-synced an old Kishore Kumar number, your awkward dance movements, and the mumbling dialogue delivery. And then I remember the first show at Metro, where you were mobbed and could not get out of the manager's cabin. I remember our joyful ride back home. For me, Salman Khan, the human being, is much more powerful than the actor. I really crave to make that special film with him, which will do justice to him as a person. I pray for that inspiration. I must remember to send you your favorite mithai from Indore. Yours always, Suraj.
Well, you're obviously doing something right.
Well, I do not want to know what is the right thing that I'm doing, because I might just overdo it and look forced, and it could destroy everything. So I haven't, seriously, as far as I'm concerned, I haven't actually done that much for anybody, or even that much for anybody, that I should deserve this kind of love, this kind of respect.
सलमान, आपने बहुत नेक काम भी की है. I know for a fact that you go and donate your bone marrow, you go and donate blood, you know, you actively are involved in
These are
helping
all
with a lot of
impulsive
charities.
decisions. These are all
That doesn't
impulsive
matter. The
decisions,
fact
yeah.
is, yes, Salman, you know, none of the controversies you've been involved in were exactly planned. You know, the fact is that whatever you do that's good, whether it's helping the poor, the charities that you do.
Okay, you
all
win.
of
I'm a
that-
good guy. You win. I'm a good guy.
Salman, don't just accept it so happily. I want to know why
हाँ,
is
मैं
it
खामा
that you
खा
do
अपने आप को
so
नीचा
much
क्यों
good
दिखा रहा हूँ?
work.
हाँ, मुझे ये समझ आ रहा था मैं खामा खा अपने आप को नीचा क्यों दिखा रहा हूँ?
सही बात है. And the fact is, when you do such good work and you are out there helping so many people, कुछ महीने पहले you pulled some people out of a car in a car accident and you saved them, you took them to the hospital, and a lot was written about it.
No, but
to
see,
give the
I'm
press
really
credit.
embarrassed. I'm really embarrassed that for an action like that, I have been given credit for. See, that is, you would do the same. And I don't think that a person, a human being, is worthy of living on planet Earth if he does not do something like that.
Yes, the press did write about that too, to their credit. They did give you brownie points for that.
No, the first thing that came up was Salman Khan got into another accident. That
But
was the
then I'm
first
sure
thing.
they rectified that. And
See, today, first for the press, Salman was a bad guy. Today, he's a good guy. Tomorrow again, will be a bad guy. So you know what? The thing is, let them stick to that bad guy thing. Because you know what? After he's a good guy, good guy, good guy, good guy, and then bad guy, bad guy, bad guy, I will not have any respect for them. If I've done something actually wrong, I'm the first person to come up and say, you know what? I messed up. I'm sorry. Forgive.
but do you think that because it's Salman Khan, they
They
will
say
forgive
Salman
you,
Khan.
or will it make you a
they say
soft target?
They say Salman Khan went to jail. Poor thing. What poor thing? Salman Khan went to jail. He went to jail. He went to jail for a month here. He went to jail for a month there, month and a half there in Jodhpur.
Did you resent it?
No, that's what I'm telling you. My parents at home were like, Jesus Christ, what is our son going through? Son was okay. What would be the state of the mother whose son died? It doesn't matter to me. 1 month, 2 months, 10 months, a year, 10 years. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all because I'm very okay with myself. I like myself. I don't need people around me. First, I said, what is this? But then came something nice out of it. And that was without any intention from anybody. They did this to put me in, they put me in. But out of that one bad thing came out that 70% of the accidents, drunken driving accidents, had reduced.
Is that so?
Yeah. So it was everything. You know, out of something bad comes out something good always. Maybe out of good comes out bad.
So you don't care about the past. You don't want a fresh beginning. You're just happy to be you and continue to do your thing.
If there is somebody who's not been nice to me, okay, that is that person's problem. It's not my problem. If I have not been nice to somebody, then that is my problem. Then I have to go and rectify that. And if I have not been nice to a few people in my life, then I have rectified that, even by saying sorry or trying to help them at any given point in time.
यहाँ पर हम लेंगे एक छोटा सा break, and when we come back, we have a surprise both for Salman and for you. See you soon.